to get into Scholastic News, you just click in Login, and then I'm a teacher, Google Classroom, my name. And then this week, the kids are reading Returning to Our Land. And during snack today, you guys can go over the new words that they're going to be seeing in the article. Scroll on down and watch this video called On Native Ground. And then after that video, come on down here and watch the story of Rosie Quinn. And I think that's all. The quiz will be assigned in Google Classroom for the kids to do after, and they can also go in and play this game with someone once they're finished reading the whole article. Hope you guys are having a great day.